y'all, it's me, Cameron, and this is my cousin Liam. He's coming to visit us. And today we got a treat for you. We are going to be making some smelly Play-Doh.
Smelly Play-Doh?
Uh-huh. Now, this is on We Seek Summit, so how do you think we're going to make it smelling?
Tell me.
Essential oils. We are right now going to be using wild orange and bergamot. You can use plenty of other oils, but I like these ones the best. It's a really simple, your kids will love it. It's pretty much just baking soda, corn, starch, and water. Now, I am going to be doubling the recipe for my two cousins, Liam, and my other one, Tate. So don't get confused if I'm adding in more than what I say. It's just because I'm going to be doubling the recipe.
Okay, Daddy will put the ingredients at the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get started. So first, my baking soda, and cornstarch. So half a cup of the cornstarch. We'll need a cup of baking soda. Actually, your kids would love this. You can dye it too. Just put it in a couple of food coloring, drops of food coloring. I'll tell you when to do that later on. Obviously, you don't have to make it smelly. You can just do it plain. But I don't really like it when there's no oils in it because it just smells a lot like cornstarch and that can get really annoying after a while. Okay, so we got all our powders. 3/4 of a cup of water. Pour it all in. Give that a quick good stir. Then you gotta put it on the stove for 4 to 5 minutes, or until it's solid. About medium heat. And if you want it to go faster, put it in a bit higher, and it's gonna start bubbling. Don't worry about it, it's nothing's burning or anything. That's how it just goes faster. So we're gonna get this done real quick. Okay, so we're back. Play-Doh's all cooked. It's pretty hot, so I've let it sit there for about 2-3 minutes, cool it down. I'm gonna spoon it all out. Sometimes spatulas can be a bit flimsy, so I'm using a spoon. Okay, so I've pretty much got it all out. Ooh.
Okay, so while it's warm, pour it onto a Silpat, and then you can use the Silpat to help kind of cool it down.
Why is it that in my mouth?
Alright, so here, Liam, you kind of form it with the Silpat.
Thank you, Miss Stage Manager. Your assistance is not required anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of fold this over on the silly mat. Let it cool. It's kind of gonna get like hard on the outside, but that's totally fine. It'll be nice and soft on the inside. If you kind of, you'll know it's right is if you kind of look at it and you'll see a bit of a sparkle. That's how you know if it's right. You can also add dye, so once it's cool, you gotta knead it out. Knead it. Kind of make a bit of a bowl. That's when you can add your oils and food coloring. That's how you would dye it. So it's still hot, but it's cool enough to handle. So I'm gonna add in my oils. About 3 to 4 drops of each oil. You wanna do it? So 3 to 4 drops. 1, 2, 3.
Tip.
That was 5. Aim for 3 next time. You'll get 4. I'll do the next one. 1, 2,
3.
Alright. Fold this up. Keep kneading. Once it's kneaded, it's perfectly cool. It's ready to be played with. And enjoy and stick your nose in it whenever you want. Bye. P.S. If you want to make your Play-Doh dark green, add in a bit of spirulina powder. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stick your nose in it. Smell good?
Yeah.